Welcome to this in-depth guide on utilizing the advanced mapping features within the system. In this video we will cover the following topics: utilizing base maps and layer selection, using drawing tools, and how to print and export maps. Here's how it works. On all mapping interfaces within the system, there are multiple base map options. To switch between base maps, click the globe icon on any mapping interface. A selection panel will appear, allowing you to choose your preferred base map by clicking it. Hovering over an option will display a description. A few base map options include satellite, hybrid, or street view. The system will remember your selection until you leave or refresh the page, at which point it will revert to the standard street view. The system integrates corporate spatial layers directly from your organization's GIS, ensuring access to the latest information. When you open any mapping interface, the default enabled layers will load as you zoom in or use search tools. To enable or disable layers, click the layers icon on any mapping interface. This will open a list of all layers you have access to, grouped into the logical groups which will have been configured by your administrative user. Clicking a group heading will expand the layer list, allowing you to update your current view. To enable or disable a layer, click the corresponding checkbox. To see enabled layer labels, select the Show Labels checkbox. With certain layer types, you can adjust opacity to view underlying layers. Default settings are configured by administrators, but you can customize these by dragging the corresponding bar right to increase the opacity or left to decrease it. To interrogate a layer on any mapping interface, simply click anywhere on the map. This will drop a red X. If you are on the active incidents map, the intersected layer information is presented on the right-hand side of the modal window. If you are on the search map interface, the layer details are displayed below the interface. Alternatively, you can right-click on the red X and select Get Information. This will present you with the closest features within the predefined radius of your selected point. To exit out of this window, click the corresponding X button, or click the Close button at the bottom of the modal. On the search map, you will have an additional option to move your location pin. To do this, right-click on a desired location on the map and select Move Marker. This will move your location pin and update the location details to the left-hand side of the mapping interface. All mapping interfaces within the system have the function to search for specific GIS layers and attributes on the map. To perform this function, select the magnifying glass within any mapping interface. This will allow you to fill in certain search criteria, such as the specific layer you're looking for, a specific attribute from this layer, and a specific search term to assist in refining the results. Selecting the search button will provide a list of all results matching your criteria. To view a layer from the results list, click the corresponding Zoom to button to load the map to this specific layer. To move the pin to this location on the map, click the Move Marker option. Various drawing tools are available across all mapping interfaces for measuring area and distance, and marking incident boundaries. Depending on the interface, drawings may be temporary or saved within the incident report. To start drawing, select the desired tool. Square for polygon, measured in hectares, acres or nautical miles. Line for distance, measured in kilometers or miles. Or circle, measured in hectares, acres or nautical miles. For polygons and lines, click the first point on the map, then continue clicking to add waypoints, and double-click to finish the drawing. For circles, click the center and drag to adjust the size, then click again to finish the drawing. To edit temporary drawings, like on the search map, or active incident overview, hover over a line to reveal a blue dot. Click and drag this dot to move the point. Release the mouse to stop editing the drawing. For saved drawings, open the map drawing tools within an incident report. To edit the drawing, right-click the measurement label and select Edit Measurement. A blue dot will appear, drag it to the desired location. Releasing the mouse automatically saves the updated measurement. The search map provides a function to search layer metadata within a drawing. Right-click on the measurement layer and select Search Layers. A pop-up modal will appear, where you can select multiple layers from the drop-down list provided. To remove a layer, select the corresponding X next to the name. Click the Search button to find all layers that exist within your drawing. To exit this modal, select either the X at the top of the window or the Close button at the bottom of the window. To delete a drawing, right-click on the measurement label and select Delete Measurement. The system enables map export in JPEG, PNG, and PDF formats from any mapping interface. Exports include all visible base maps, layers, labels, drawings, and markers, allowing precise control over the included information. To export, click the print icon. Select your desired format and click Export. The file will be downloaded to your computer. The downloaded map size matches its current size in your view. To export a larger map, either increase the window size or use full screen mode.